Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to lock your independent bank debit card. If you don't have an independent bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says e-Services. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for debit card controls. Click on Debit Card Controls. Under Debit Card Controls, you will see a section for Lock Card. Beside it is a tick box. To lock your card, click on the tick box. And now you will see that your card is already locked. That's how you lock your independent bank debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.